What's going on, guys? Johnny here with Learn to Earn Team, and in this video I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions that I receive and a goal that a lot of people have, and it's how can I make $100 per day? And one of the things you need to ask yourself and understand is that there's the PDT rule, which is if your account is under $25,000, then you can only day trade 3 times per day. Now, the better question is how much do you need to have in your account in order to have a certain percentage growth in order to experience $100 per trade? So, therefore, I'm going to break it down how much you need to have in your account to make $100 per day. So, we're going to go ahead and share the screen. If you guys do like this video, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for me, okay? So a really easy and simple tool that I created is an Excel file, and this is all available to you in our Discord. All you have to do is go to our Discord, go down to freebies, and it'll be right here, and you can get the link. It's 100% free to join, lifetime access, and you can get this free tool today. So this is going to showcase to you the amount that you want to make, the amount, the percentage of growth, and how much money you need to have in your account. So the first question is how much you need to make per trade. And so if I want to make $100 a day or per trade, then I need to make about 3% per trade. You would need about $3,333 in your account. Now, that would result in 3-day trades a week. That's $300 a week. Or if you do 5-day trades a week, if you're over the PDT rule, or if you're using cash, there would be $500 a week. Now, that can result in $1,200 a month on those 3-day trades a week, or $2,000 a month if you have 5-day trades. And it's a pretty, it's 3% per trade is a little higher than most, but say you want to make $200, you're a little bit more of an advanced trader, you want to make $200 a day at 5% average growth per trade, you would need about $4,000 in your account. Now, 5% per trade is a little aggressive, but at the same time, you would be able to benefit about $600 a week or $2,400 in a month. Now, you can also play around with this. All you have to do is simply, maybe you only want to make $50 a day, and you could still average that 5% growth per trade. You'd only need $1,000 in your trading account. Now, how about just starting out and you're new, you want to make $50 a day? Well, maybe you're experiencing only a 1% or a 2% growth, then that would be between $5,000 in your account to $2,500 in your account. Now, if you're really new, 1 to 2% a day can be attainable. It is realistic to some, and the amount of money you would need is a little bit higher. So, what if you wanted to make that $100 a day, and you were only able to make that 1% per trade? You would need at least $10,000 in your account. So 2% is a little bit more aggressive. 3% is even more aggressive. But I've had days where I make 5%, even 10% in a single trade, which if you can get 10% per trade with a $100 price target, then you would only need $1,000 in your account. So I hope that helps. This is a quick little easy video to showcase this new tool that is available to you for free. All you have to do is join our Discord. So, maybe you are new to trading, and again, 1%, and maybe you only want to make $20 a day, then you'd only need about $2,000 in your account per month. So, hope you guys enjoyed this this quick little helpful video, and I hope you guys utilize this tool to your benefit. It's right here. Again, you join the LTE or Learn to Earn Discord, scroll down past wealth resources, and you go into well, I guess it should be up here then, right? Wealth resources, because it is a wealth resource. There's freebies, and you got that freebie right there for you. So Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you all in the next video.